Hey friends, this is Atif for Pure Wealth and welcome to the new update on Ethereum. The Ethereum is going really very good, even better than the Bitcoin, but on the long term there are some weak bearish signals that are appeared. Therefore, I would like to share those signals with you guys. First of all, I would like to share this support and resistance chart with you, and after that we will watch in this video this up channel formation and the comparison between the Ethereum and the Bitcoin price action, and we will watch the different simple moving averages as well, and this really very big descending triangle that is formed on this weekly chart. And at the end of this video, I would like to share this very important indicator. If this resistance of the indicator will be broken out, then definitely the price action will turn very strong bullish on the long term. And I would like to share this very big bullish bad pattern. This is a garlic pattern that is formed on the monthly chart at the end of this video with you guys. First of all, if we watch these different support and resistance level on this daily chart, then we can see that the price action finally dropped up to this last support that was at $122, and then the price action broke out the next resistance level of $149 and retested the previous resistance as a support. And after that, the price action first attempted here to break out the next resistance of $224. And after being rejected by this resistance level, the price action again moved up and crossed up and broke out this resistance level, and now at this time the price action is retesting this previous resistance as a support of $224. If this resistance will be broken down, because the price action is using this resistance as a support at this time, then we can again watch the price action to reach up to this level that is $149. But however, at this time the price action is above this support level, this resistance level, and now it is using this resistance as a support. And now if we move to the next chart, and that is a comparison between the up channel that is formed by the Ethereum and the Bitcoin as well on the daily chart. If we watch the Ethereum, then it is better than the Bitcoin at this time, because at this time the price action is within this channel, and if we watch the BTC, then it has broken down the channel almost 3 or 4 days ago. On 15th of June, that was the first candlestick that was completely open and closed below this support of the channel. And if we watch the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21, then both are touching each other and likely to form a bear cross. So far the bear cross is not formed. And if we watch the EMA 10 and 21 on this Ethereum chart, then so far there is no bear cross is formed. And even though the price action this EMA 10 has come very close to this EMA 21, but so far they are not touching each other like the Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin chart, they are touching each other and likely to form the bear cross very soon. And if we watch the both charts with the simple moving averages on the daily time period, the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, then at this time the Ethereum has just broken down. This is the first candlestick today, the 25 simple moving average, and the Bitcoin broke down this 25 simple moving average completely. You can say that yesterday the Bitcoin broken down this 25 simple moving average. At this time the Bitcoin is using the previous resistance of 25 as simple moving average as a support, and this Ethereum price action is just moving down towards the 50 simple moving average. If the price action will retest this previous resistance of simple moving average with the time period of 50 as a support, then we can see that the price action may reach up to the $218. But at this time, if we want the position of the moving averages, like the 25 is above all, the smallest time period moving average is above all, and this biggest time period moving average, that is 200, is below all the moving averages. Then we have after 25, 50, then 100, then a complete alligator mouth by the simple moving averages is formed. Therefore, the price action, this alligator mouth can lift the price action more up. But if we watch the Bitcoin chart, then we have the smallest time period moving average above all, but so far this biggest time period moving average is above the 100 simple moving average. Therefore, we need the bull cross between the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages, and once this biggest time period moving average will be moved below all these moving averages, then a complete open alligator mouth will be formed like it is formed here on the Ethereum chart. Then we can see that the Bitcoin will have a complete support of an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages that can help the Bitcoin price action to move up very fast. And if we watch this chart, this is a long-term weekly chart. The Ethereum price action is moving within this descending triangle. For example, previously when I shared my previous idea of Ethereum with US dollar with you guys, this was the idea, and the Ethereum was moving at the support of this descending triangle. At that time, I just predicted that the price action will be bounced from here, it will be pumped from here, and it will reach soon up to the resistance of this descending triangle. I'm just playing this chart, and now you can see the price action has turned very strong bullish, and it has reached up to this level. And we have seen this is the third bullish rally that is more than 180%. This move was more than 181% bullish move, and this was the first move. Then the price, when the price action hit at the support and reached up to the resistance of this wedge, descending triangle, that was a 355% move. Then we had another move from the support up to the resistance that was more than 150%, and this time recently we have more than 181% bullish move. And this is the first Heikin Ashi red candlestick appeared after hitting at this resistance. This is the first bearish signal, therefore we can expect another downward rally that can retest the previous support that we have at $149. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this wedge, within this descending triangle, this is very much important indicator to see the interest of the traders, to see the area of interest of the traders where they are interested to trade and up to what level they are not interested to trade. For example, we can see that the traders are interested to trade up to the support, and if we watch up to this level from the upside, then they are interested to trade up to this level that is almost at $212. At this time, the price action is moving above the level where the traders' interest is really very weak. Therefore, it is possible that the price action will take another drop from here. And I've also used these two indicators with this descending triangle to observe the price action more closer, whether it will be dropped from here or not. At this time, we are at the resistance. If this stochastic will give the bear cross like it gave the bear cross from here, and also gave the bear cross from here, and the price action dropped down on the both times, then we can have another drop. But we can use this stochastic with the combination of this MACD indicator. At this time, the MACD is giving bearish, that is the weak bullish signal. It was strong bullish, but now it is turned weak bullish from strong bullish. Therefore, it is giving signals that it is turning bearish. Once it will be turned again strong bullish from here, and the price action will be moving at the resistance, then we can expect that the price action will turn more bullish to break out the resistance of the triangle. Like for example, here we can see that when the price action was moving sideways, it was turned weak bullish from strong bullish. Then in the next candlestick, it was turned again strong bullish, and the price action started moving up with rather to move down. If we will have such signals by the MACD and the stochastic as well at this level, when the price action would be at this level at the resistance, The stochastic will be still in the bull cross, and it will be turned again bullish, from weak bullish to strong bullish. Then we can expect a breakout from here. Otherwise, we can expect another downside rally. Now, if we watch this chart, this is a very important and significant chart on the weekly time period, then we can see that the price action is again attempting to break out from this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and at this time the price action is at the resistance of this cloud and moving sideways, and this lagging span of the cloud is above the price action. That is a bullish signal, and we have a bull cross or a golden cross by the conversion line and the baseline as well. This brown color is the baseline, that is a bearish line, and this blue color is the conversion line, that is a bullish line. And we have the bullish line above the bearish line, that is a strong signal, bullish signal. If the price action will break out this cloud, this Ichimoku cloud, then definitely it will work as a very strong support for the price line for the long-term bullish rally. And at the end of this video, I would like to share or recall this a very big bullish garlic pattern with you guys that I shared on the March 13, that the price action formed a complete bullish garlic pattern on the March 13, and it was at $131 at the bottom of this potential reversal zone. And as per prediction, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic, it was supposed to move up here from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D lag. I'm just playing this chart. Now you can see that it has turned very strong bullish since after the mid of March, and so far it has produced more than 93% very big profit, and the one candlestick is closing above the shoulder of the previous candlestick. And if this pattern of the candlesticks will be continued, then soon it is possible that the price action will cross up or break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D lag. And once this projection level will be broken out, then definitely the price action will turn more bullish than the previous rally, and it can produce a really very big profit, and it can achieve the highest price ever in the history of Ethereum. But for that, we need to break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and before that we need to break out this Ichimoku cloud resistance on this weekly chart. So this was the update so far by the Ethereum price action. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you have any comments or any opinion to share with me, you can share in the comment section. I'll definitely try my best to reach out your comments as soon as possible and to reply them as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.